विंडोज 10 बार बार अपडेट करके इरिटेट कर रहा है. Let's stop it permanently. Hi friends, I am Rajiv and in this video I will show you step by step how to permanently disable automatic update in Windows 10. No third party tool, just safe Windows trick that actually work. Step number 1, click on Windows R, then type services.msc, then click on OK or hit enter. Okay, scroll down Windows update. So I press W and Windows update. Right click on Windows update, click on properties. Actually, startup type you need to click on disable in startup type, then apply. Then need to stop this service started running, click on stop, then OK. Then you need to stop it from scheduler. I will guide you how to stop it from scheduler. Okay, so just click on start button, then search task scheduler. Okay, when you click on task scheduler, it's open. Just expand the task scheduler library, then click on Microsoft. Okay, in under Microsoft you find Windows. In Windows you just check Windows update. That's it, Windows update. In Windows update, if I maximize, you find the scheduler start. So just simply click on it and disable. Okay, I will share you some bonus tip. Just click on start button, go to setting or search setting, then network internet. For my case, click on Wi-Fi. Okay, I will click on Wi-Fi. This is my connected Wi-Fi. I am click here. Here one option meter connection. Just enable it. If you enable it, Windows will not update. That's it. Now your Windows 10 do not auto update and slow down system again. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and comment below if you want a video on Windows 11 too. Thank you.